What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another important update on Bonk. As you guys can see, it has dropped another 11% in the last 24 hours and currently valued at this value here. So we're going to be looking at how far is it going to drop. As you guys can see, for the last couple of days since about the 15th of December, which was 3 days consistently, it has been dropping in value. So how long is this going to go on for? Is it going to pump? Is it getting ready for a pump? That's what we're going to be going through, looking at its prediction for the rest of December and also going into 2024, what is expected from this crypto. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Bonk. And yes, once again, the value of Bonk is actually here in red, meaning it's performing above the average value. So far so good. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we are looking a little bit skeptical. The blue line is slanting towards the negative direction. Yes, I know it looks like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, it is just about looking bearish, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, what I'm expecting is overall minimal drop in value. So yes, guys, dropping below where it is at the moment is what I'm expecting. So essentially over the next 12 to 14 hours, by midday tomorrow, Bonk should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. In my previous updates on Bonk and other cryptos, I did mention to you guys a price correction to be coming before Christmas, and that is exactly what's taking place right now. Not just for Bonk, but the crypto market in general, including Bitcoin, which did drop down to $40,000 earlier this morning. But since then it's recovered a little bit, but nothing major. So we are in a price correction period at the moment in the crypto market. However, towards the end of the year, early next year, I am expecting it to pump up back to where it was trading at about a week or two ago. So recovering and heading back up is what I'm expecting from not just Bonk, but the crypto market towards the end of the month and early next year. But at the moment, the price correction is likely to carry on over the next couple of days, so do expect more red days in the crypto market. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again, we still got the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So more drops in value are expected over the next week or so. So towards the end of this week, Bonk should be trading again at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. But it doesn't mean it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between as well. But the overall outcome, unfortunately, seems to be more on the negative side, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks. Now again, we are looking quite skeptical. The blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. If you guys have seen my previous updates on Bonk, I am expecting it to drop all the way back down in Q1 of 2024, which I still stick by that as well. So yes, guys, I'm expecting Bonk to have dropped back down in value. When I bring up the Fibonacci scale, it makes more sense, but at the moment, is going to be just like a wave, so it's going to drop down in value and then peak back up, and in Q1 of 2024 it should start to crash back down in value, hovering all the way down here back to where it was trading at about 2 to 3 months ago, is what my predictions are, due to the fact that, as you guys can see, it's pumped up way too much, guys, over 500%, including the drop that's been taking place over the last couple of days. So overall it's pumped up over 1,000% in a space of about a month, meaning the crypto is overvalued and it is due to drop back down. So let me explain to you guys. So we've got the Fibonacci scale here on the screen right now, and we have dropped from the top tier level here into the blue zone, which is again what I predicted, and over the coming days it is likely to drop down into the green zone here, potentially pump back up into the top tier level, and towards the end of the year and early next year it's likely to drop all the way back down into the red zone, and not just into the red zone but in the lower part of the red zone is where I'm expecting Bonk to be trading at by Q1 of 2024. Yes, I have been seeing your comments. A lot of people do disagree with me. You guys disagreed with the price correction that's currently happening right now as well, but again, that is a reality of crypto. Things like this do happen. There are some projects that get overvalued and then drop all the way back down, but if there are any major changes, guys, that can have a potential positive impact on the value of Bonk, then of course I will let you guys know as soon as I can. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up slightly by 13% in the last 24 hours, making it $624 million in trading. I'm presuming some people are buying the dip right now, and some people are also panic selling the crypto. Even if they're on a loss, they don't want to lose any more, so they're panic selling. We can look at it from both points of view, but at the moment, as I mentioned in my previous updates, those of you who asked me will I be investing into the crypto, the simple answer is no, due to the fact that what's happening right now. So yeah, this is my take on Bonk, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys still expecting it to pump up in 2024? Some of your comments say it's going to hit the dollar mark and so on, which I do not believe at all. Yes, it has a chance, but the chance is very, very, very minimal, because for it to hit $1, it's going to have to go through a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Bonk anytime soon, at least not for the next 2 to 3 years. So I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.